What is up? What is down? What is left? And what is right? Hey guys, we are back with another YouTube video, and today we are going to be making slime. These are the things that we need for like clear washable glue. We just got this, like people use food coloring, but we have glitter. We're gonna make glitter slime and borax powder and some water. We both have our own little bowls to make our slime in. I looked up how to make it because I didn't feel like watching the video. Because I got bored with how they talk or something.
Yeah, that's what I'd be doing.
Okay, so mix 1 ounce of glue, about 1/4 of the glue out of the bottle, and 1/4 a cup of water.
We don't use measurements right here.
So, how much I want and how much I want? Okay. I didn't get you 1/4 cup. Should I go get you some water too? You need some water too.
Yeah.
I promise you I'll be quick. So, we got all our water. I'm going to do some glue first.
Sound like this.
About that much? I want a lot of slime.
Keep pouring. Hold on. Let me save you the house.
I'm good. True. That's not. You so smart. Okay. I'm gonna just go ahead and do my glitter.
Yeah. I don't know how much it is to put in there.
Oh wait, I'm gonna tell you. Like you can measure it.
I was about to say, I'm gonna measure this one.
And add 1/4 a cup. So basically about this much. If you touch your hand with that, it burns your hand.
No, it don't.
Just kidding. 1/4. And stir.
God gave his fingers for a reason. And
You
then
not
pour this
scared?
in there too?
Yep. And stir. Dang it. Is it getting slimy?
Yes.
Really? Oh, I got a lot of it.
I'm gonna add some more.
Oh, I didn't even put the borax in mine. I'm just stirring. Oh, mine went automatic. Automatic slime. Oh, mine is too hard. Oh, it's supposed to be.
It's not working.
Mine is.
I think we need more water.
I need
It's
more water.
dehydrated.
I need more water. Oh.
I need more water.
Get more water. Will you get more?
Yes.
Okay. More water? For me?
Pour it all in.
Really? Mine hardened.
Yeah, I said this is not working.
This is not working at all.
At all. What type of?
What time of same hair was this? I'm gonna do more glue.
Oh.
Really? Sauteing it? Too much borax?
I don't know.
Mine look like a bowl of ice. Look!
We suck at this.
Fail! Maybe I can revive it.
Hey, why is this getting hot?
For
I'm dead for real. This is
We probably should be having on gloves. Oh.
I'll be good. I'll be alright. Clean dishes.
Hmm?
We ain't do this right.
Dang it! Oh no, it's getting harder. It's getting harder. Oh, it's getting. Oh, it's hot! It burned my hand! My hand itchy.
Don't play with me. I don't all this on you.
No, it's itchy. I guess I made silicone. So if any of you guys want to breast what is
New
it?
merch.
New merch.
Yeah, this is
This ain't right. This is Slime's cousin.
What is it called?
Right. Hard. Something hard. Something.
Freak.
Look at this.
This is not slime. We tried.
Guys, right after this video. It's okay. At least we got some kind of reaction. Maybe we should have just restarted.
Now that we don't use all the glue.
Oh. Oh.
Somewhat did it.
What, this last little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Mine didn't do it. Ah.
Yeah, this is not working. This is getting worse.
What can I make out of it?
Artificial snow?
Yeah, we are in Florida. Okay, so I'm going to paint mine. I'm going to let it dry. And I'm going to paint mine to where it looks like a crystal. Smart, right?
Throw mine in the garbage because it's stank.
Oh. Oh, baby. Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Slime! We made slime! You see? Slime! Guys, I'm tired. This is... Ooh.
A bust.
Call somebody in here and just throw it at her. Well, that was a fail, but I like this. Like, I'm not mad.
I'm throwing it like that.
You know, I could put this... I thought that was going to turn out so much better than what it did. Like, no lie. We should have tried.
We had high hopes. High hopes.
High hopes.
Eat. But stop.
Anyways, maybe we could try this again. Another video. Like...
Slime. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
that is disgusting.
Anyways, well, we hope you guys liked this video, even though it didn't turn out how we wanted it to. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. You know, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And all we can advise you guys to do is be you,
Be unique.
and also be
Be great.
great.
Tell me pretty lies.